have a table with data on various products and their colors. When we filter to see which colors are available for a specific product, all the colors of that product appear in separate rows. Now, I'll show you an easy trick. By typing the product name into a search bar, all colors for that product will instantly display, just like you're seeing here. First, we will use the if function. Click on the cell where you want the result. Press the equal sign to start the formula. Type if and open a bracket. Click on the search cell, then press equal to match the search cell with the selected range. Next, select the product column. Press a comma. Select the colors column. Add another comma. Type quotation marks for an empty result if no match is found, and close the bracket, and then press enter. Now you can see that the result is showing up, but it's appearing across different rows, with some empty cells showing as well. To fix this, let's edit the formula. Double-click on the cell to open the formula and add the TEXTJOIN function before the if function. Open a bracket after TEXTJOIN. Now, set the delimiter by typing a quotation mark, then a comma, another quotation mark, and press comma again. Type true to ignore empty cells. Add another comma, and finally, close the bracket at the end of the formula and press enter. The result will display in a single cell, without extra rows or empty cells, combining all matching values neatly. This way, all matching results are combined in one cell, removing extra rows and empty spaces for a cleaner look. The practice file link is available in the description. If you found this tip helpful, please like and follow for daily tips and tricks.